The mission is to locate and secure the package before it falls into the wrong hands.
And what if the package is not there?
Then, we will proceed to the secondary location and eliminate the target.
There's no time. I need you to suit up. No, don't do it! Stop! Don't open it!
I'm only a virtual image generated by Topview?
This is Topview V2. Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today we're going to cover Topview version 2. If you stick with my YouTube channel for a long time, this name must be very familiar, Topview. I was so amazed by all the tools that Topview has. It's just like a toolbox. Topview just rebrand itself as the most advanced video agent. With this platform, you can generate, you can edit, you can collaborate, and make AI videos. This is an all-in-one place platform now. And if you are an open cloud player, you can click here, skill. You can directly copy this to your robot. So your robot will have this ability to generate videos. That is so dope, man. And not only like that, but also your robots are able to edit the video. You don't need to install Premiere, After Effects anymore. And also, you can make talking avatars based on an image. You don't even need to open this website. But with your open cloud, you can do that. Oh, I forget also with this skill, you can generate images, image editing, product image, and also generate audio. I don't know what's the direction of the future, but this is certainly one of them. If you are a very open cloud nerd, please check about this. And also, if you're working on some apps, you can also use this API. But today, for ordinary people like me, we can spend like 8 minutes to learn how to create a professional level movie right here in Topview. By professional movie, I mean the one that your friend won't recognize this is AI. So basically, here is a place, this is where we're playing around. A huge input box. And you're able to upload image as references, and you are able to type your prompt from here. And above, we have 3 buttons. So first is video agent, and second is AI video, and also AI image. So let's try this AI image first. And beneath, we have some selections. This is what I like about the Topview. You only have 3 choices instead of a long list, but they are the best. So first we have Nano Banana 2, which is super economic. And then we have Nano Banana Pro, which is the best in the whole world. And then we have a C-Dream. So let's choose Nano Banana Pro. And the second parameter that we can tweak is about the aspect ratio. And you can select this one. And then we have a quality. We have 3 buttons, 1K, 2K, 4K. Let's choose 1K. And I forgot to type. And let's click this button. After we click generate, we're bring to this professional dashboard. Oh, I see the stuff that I generated in the last version. So in this dashboard, we're able to generate another image, or we are able to edit. Okay, after a second, we generated so many images. So we have this one and this character. Also this one. And I made an old commander like this. And also this one. So we can download the images that we generated that we satisfied with it. And maybe also need this one. And also you can tweak every images by this image edit tool. For example, I want an image of this old commander setting. And let's choose the quality and just click generate. And what if I want this girl but in the different angle? Can we do that? Yes, we can. Let's click edit angles. Ooh, what we have here. So drag this little sphere that we can change the angles. So they are X, Y, Z. For example, like this. And let's click generate. See, now we have our commander setting here. Like everything in controls. And also if you like this character, you can use it as a AI avatar. And also you can generate video in Paint, remix, and re-edit. And now we have a different angle of this girl. Before 2026, you cannot even imagine this tool, right? And let's download this and close off it. So basically, this is how you generate images in Topview. And for the video, you can just click here to add an image and type your prompt and generate a video. I guess everybody can do that. So here is our main character, the video agent. So video agent is a killer app of the Topview. And beneath we have some news, right? And also Seedance 2.0, Clean 3.0, photo angle editor. So everything inside of this website are in this agent. This is like everything in control agent. Let's upload all the images we generated. I just wrote a script that I like. And beneath we have some parameters that we can tweak. And first one is two options, standard and fast. Let's choose standard. And for the aspect ratio, if you are thinking make it a long video, you can use a 16:9. Making a TikTok video, you can choose this one, 9:16. And if you are published in Instagram, you can choose 1:1. And for the quality, we have two options. Let's choose higher one. And for the length, so the maximum is 300 seconds. So I'm thinking something between. Let's choose 60 seconds. And here we have an ad. So about this girl, let's use this one. So mark this girl as our character. And old commander should be this guy. Okay, everything is set. Just click this button to generate our video. Let's go. I'm talking to this Topview AI agent. Let's check this dashboard. Oh my god, this is so good. If you want to tweak, you can type here simply. And here we have a style sections. So you can choose your favorite style. So if you're satisfied with it, you just click here. If you're not satisfied with it, just click here, insert only. So now we have our storyboard. And what is the beauty about this tool is that you can tweak, you can modify it, you can make an ad, you can even add more thing. Oh my god, I love this already. I bet everyone is concerned about this, right? This tool is using Seedance 2.0, the best AI model for videos. And let's click start generation. FYI, the AI videos are on hit those days, especially for TikTok, right? Have you ever followed any short videos that's generated by AI? It used to be took a lot of effort to make a solid short videos. Now we have our full video. Let's click play. So you can find when we generated our videos, the assets will be listed here. And what is the best about this is that when you click, you will mark here and you can make your tweak. For example, change the character inside of the video too. And also you can change the timeline a little bit. And when you click this button, you have many options as well. So first is upload your local file. Second one is extend video too. And third is generate new clip. So this will be an endless workflow. You can make anything you want it. And if you want to tweak the storyboard, you just type in here. The script will be changed, but the two buttons will be still here. Click insert or click insert and generate. And also you can click here to export the full video. And you can remove the watermark and click here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is my workflow by using Topview. Hope you like it. And I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Alrighty, don't forget to follow James Shee's channel so we can discover more cool AI together. Say you will follow this channel. Say it.